Hi, and welcome back to Marketing Midday. I'm Stephanie, your host and social media manager at RivalMind. Right beside me is Heather, my co-host.
Hey, Stephanie. Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining us. It's Monday, April 3rd, and we're covering 4 exciting stories this week. Stephanie, what do you have for us?
First, Google's March 2023 update is finished rolling out. We'll discuss what this might mean for marketers. Next, Marketing Brew wonders if audiobooks could be the next frontier for advertising as Audible and Spotify investigate audiobook ads. Third, we recently spoke with Beth, a marketing veteran with insightful consumer behavior expertise. You'll love her clip. Finally, Google is opening an ad library that will allow users to search for an ad on a platform within 30 days of running.
Fantastic. Let's get right to it.
Google's March 2023 Broad Core update is officially finished rolling out. According to Search Engine Land, this update is especially impactful compared to previous core updates, possibly leading to significant algorithm changes. While the specifics of the March update are not clear yet, marketers should dig into their analytics to check for changes to their rankings or website traffic. In upcoming weeks, authorities in the digital marketing realm will likely disseminate details about the impact of the March 2023 update.
According to Marketing Brew, audiobook ads could be right around the corner. Audible is conducting limited testing of audiobook ads, allowing non-members to get ad-supported access to certain Audible titles. Spotify has indicated that it may make a similar move in the future. Audiobook ads have not been met with excitement by all, however. Marketing Brew writes, while the potential of audiobook advertising is clearly piquing interest, some who work in the industry would prefer to keep them ad-free since people have already grown accustomed to paying for them.
Recently, we sat down with Beth, a marketing veteran with learned expertise in consumer behavior. She recommended approaching marketing from the perspective of a consumer.
I've really found that it is that consistency that brands can offer consumers that then the consumer will be more likely to remember. I mean, it is pretty simple and basic and nothing too earth-shattering. But I know that when I am working within a brand, I am spending 90% of my day, right, thinking about that brand and all that knowledge that I have, that sometimes I can forget that the consumer isn't spending that much time thinking about me and my brand, right?
Thank you, Beth, for your time on the show. You can watch the full interview with Beth on our YouTube channel.
Google announced that it is launching an ads library dubbed the Ads Transparency Center. According to Marketing Brew, the ads library will allow users to see which ads an advertiser is running within a 30-day window of the ads appearing. Dan Taylor, Google's VP of Global Ads, shared that the ad library is limited to creative at this time. The ads library is built upon Google's My Ad Center, a platform that gives users more control over the ads they're shown, allowing them to fine-tune their ad experience. Well, those are our top 4 stories of the week. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram, and join our mailing list to stay up to date.
Thank you for watching Marketing Midday. Tune in next week for the latest digital marketing news.